Hey guys, today we're just gonna be, I don't know who we're gonna be, but here's a bucket, I need a hose, Amanda, how's it going? Yeah. And you hear that? That's my brother with the can. How with the can? It sounds like a Lamborghini or a car, supercar. But it doesn't do. It's kind of raining today. If you hear a tractor, yeah, it's us mowing again. But it's the same day. I'm just making videos. Yeah. Awesome. I got this for my birthday today. Oh my god. So, oh my god, face cam. Thumbnail. I'm a dog. Oh my god, our dog is so adorable. Our dog is so adorable. Oh, how cute. How cute. How cute. How cute. You look so cute. Look. Oh yeah, you do. So I hope you like this video. Subscribe to me. I have GoPro, so I'm now going to use